Welcome to the Cone Art Kiln's video on how to replace a relay. Should you determine you need to replace a relay, you'll need just two tools, a pair of small nose pliers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Of course, you'll need a relay itself. Be careful to make sure you get one rated for the proper voltage. If your kiln has a controller on it, you'll need a 12-volt DC relay. Relays do come in other configurations, so make sure you get the right one. Turn the power to the kiln off. And just like we did when we first disassembled our kiln to put it in place, we're going to need to open up the blue panel, of course. Use your 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the 3 screws on the right side of the blue panel. Now, remove the screw top left center of the blue panel. This will allow your panel to completely open. Take your new relay and your pair of small nose pliers, and one at a time, because it's important where each wire goes, remove one wire from the faulty relay and put it in the same position on your new relay. There will be 6 wires in total. Now with your 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the old relay. Hold your new relay in place. Replace the 2 screws with your nut driver. Close up the panel. Replace the 3 screws on the right side. Replace the screw top left center. Now your relay is replaced and you're ready to go.